For many years working in the water sector, we've had this huge problem of pipe deliveries coming to our sites. A lot of our sites are out in rural areas, and you know, we're unable to provide forklifts or all-terrain trucks to remove these pipes. The majority of the time they're loaded with telescopic handlers at yards, and they arrive on our sites, and suddenly we are left with this huge problem of trying to unload an articulated lorry that, you know, could be up to 4.5–5 meters off the ground, full of pipes with just an excavator. So it's been a long lasting problem in trying to get around this particular issue, which has even been more brought to the forefront of everyone's minds with the HSE's recent campaign at Working at Height, where they now say we have to eliminate the need of it. So for that reason alone, it's been a driving factor in trying to eliminate the risks associated with working at height.
I think it's been recognised throughout the UK water industry that there was no real safe way of unloading pipes when they get to site. Some sites don't have the equipment, some have forklift trucks, some don't. So we decided to put a project team together and come up with the innovation of the loading beam to supply our customers full safe delivery of our products, which include us unloading pallets, bundled pipe and single pipes also.
The first thing that the unloading boom does, it obviously eliminates the need to climb on top of the wagon. And as we're all told, the first thing we have to do is eliminate the risks, and this is exactly what this piece of kit does. The gentleman operates it via a remote control unit that is tied around his neck or around his waist. He operates it as a telescopic type grab, which perfectly lifts the pipes off the trailer bed without the need of getting up there, which is brilliant. Obviously, again, it comes more to its forefront when you're in restricted areas. Restricted areas create huge problems with moving plant and people. We have to segregate them, and this is exactly what this boom does. It eliminates the need for anyone to get in there to actually get close to the wagon. The time saving is immense. I can't believe how quickly we unloaded a wagon, an articulated wagon. We must have unloaded in less than 40 minutes. And that's not just unloading it, but it's placing it as well at the place where we want to store them safely as well. And that's the other thing you've got to realise, this piece of kit as well. Not only does it unload it, but it also stacks it very neat and tidy when you actually position it until such time you need to use it out in the sticks.
We're able to unload 5.5 metre pipe, 6 metre pipe, and very soon we're able to unload longer length pipe with the new beams that have been put into production. We're also able to unload palletised products and fittings, and also bundled pipe.
The particular site that we were working on when I first saw it was a very restricted area next to a school, and lots of buses turning up. We had an exclusion zone around the lorry, but we unloaded that lorry without the slightest bit of problem in such a restricted area, which normally we wouldn't have dared go into.
Through health and safety, it's a major breakthrough within the industry. We can now supply safe delivery without the customer's assistance in unloading, and we remove the working at height issues as well, also associated with unloading vehicles.
The obvious things that this pipe lifter unloader gives us is it eliminates the risks associated with manual handling. It associates the risk of working at height. It also reduces the risks of working in restricted areas, and above all else, it prevents any accidents or incidents, and I find it literally a breath of fresh air.